Tired of your homemade cocktails tasting slightly off every single time? The secret to a perfect drink isn't just the liquor, it's the exact science of your pour. I've spent the last few weeks testing out a mountain of measuring tools, shaking up countless drinks, and narrowing down the absolute best options available right now. We'll be counting down the top 7 jiggers on the market, but stick around until the end, because our number 1 pick completely redefines what a simple measuring tool can do for your workflow. Seven, BARsics 1/2 ounces measuring double jigger. When you first take this out of the box, it presents itself as a very straightforward, no-nonsense tool for your bar cart. It is designed to get the basic job done without any flashy bells and whistles. The aesthetic follows the classic Japanese style, featuring a tall, slender profile that looks quite elegant standing next to your liquor bottles. It offers the standard 1 ounce measurement on one side and a 2 ounce measurement on the other, which covers the base requirements for the vast majority of classic cocktail recipes. During my testing phase, I tried using the BARsics Jigger to whip up a quick batch of daiquiris, and while it held the liquid just fine, the stainless steel feels noticeably thinner and lighter than what you might expect. This lack of weight makes the Jigger feel a bit cheap in the hand, and it lacks the satisfying heft that helps professional bartenders seamlessly flip the tool between their fingers. When it comes to precision, the inside of the cups does feature etched lines for smaller fractional measurements. However, these etchings are incredibly faint and shallow, making them quite frustrating to read if you're working in the dimly lit environment of an evening cocktail party or a home bar with mood lighting. You really have to squint and angle the metal to catch the light just right. Ultimately, the BARsics Jigger is functional, but its lightweight nature means the balance is slightly off, making it quite prone to tipping over if you accidentally bump it while reaching for your shaker. It will certainly measure your spirits, but the overall user experience leaves you wanting something a bit more substantial and user-friendly. 6. Homestia 20Z 10Z Double Bartending Jigger. This is another entry that utilizes the highly popular Japanese-style silhouette, aiming to bring a sleek, professional look right into your home kitchen or personal bar setup. Visually, the Homestia Jigger is quite striking. It comes in a very polished, reflective finish that absolutely gleams under the lights, making it a great prop if you like to take photos or videos of your cocktail creations. It certainly has the curb appeal to impress guests before the pouring even begins. However, when I put this jigger to the test during a busy weekend of entertaining, a few construction concerns quickly became apparent. The central band where the 1 ounce and 2 ounce cups are welded together feels slightly precarious. When you apply pressure to it while gripping tightly, there's a subtle flex that raises some genuine concerns about its long-term durability after months of heavy use. The pouring experience also presented an unexpected challenge. The lip of this jigger is surprisingly sharp rather than smoothly rolled, and because the diameter of the cups is extremely narrow at the top, you need laser-like precision to avoid spilling your expensive spirits over the side. If you're trying to pour quickly from a heavy bottle, the target area is just too small and unforgiving. While the Homestia Jigger undoubtedly looks fantastic sitting next to a crystal mixing glass, the ergonomic flaws make it a bit frustrating for quick, consecutive drink making. It requires a slow, deliberate hand to avoid messes, which unfortunately interrupts the rhythmic flow of a good bartending session. 5. Pafusen Jigger for bartending with 2 pourers. This particular option immediately stands out from the pack because it arrives as a mini kit, notably including 2 highly useful liquid pourers alongside the jigger itself. The inclusion of these pourers is a massive bonus that cannot be overstated. It instantly upgrades your bottle management, allowing you to ditch the wide, messy bottlenecks. When paired together, the speed pourers and the jigger create a beautifully smooth, continuous workflow that mimics the setup of a high-end commercial bar. Testing the Pafusen Jigger revealed a much sturdier build quality compared to our previous entries. The stainless steel here has a reassuring, solid weight to it. When you hold it between your index and middle fingers, it feels perfectly grounded, giving you a wonderful sense of control as you measure out your ingredients. The internal measurement lines on the Pafusen are a major highlight. They are deeply stamped and highly legible, effectively eliminating all the guesswork when a recipe calls for exactly 3/4 of an ounce of fresh citrus juice or 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. You can spot the line instantly, even when the cup is wet. Overall, the Pafusen offers a highly functional, reliable, and enjoyable pouring experience. The added accessories make it an absolutely excellent starter kit for beginners looking to step up their mixology game. And the quality of a Jigger itself ensures it will remain a staple in your toolkit for years to come. 4. BARIANTTE Cocktail Jigger. This is exactly where a countdown crosses over into truly professional grade territory. The moment you pick up this piece, you can feel the elevated craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into its manufacturing. The design features a beautifully elongated, elegant shape that instantly catches the eye and commands attention. It gives off an undeniable air of sophistication and class, looking perfectly at home next to top-shelf liquors, while remaining entirely practical and efficient for everyday drink building. In my testing, the physical balance of the BARIANTTE was nothing short of phenomenal. The weight is perfectly centered right at the join between the two measuring cups. This precise balance point allows you to confidently flip and twirl the Jigger seamlessly between your fingers, making you look and feel like a seasoned professional bartender. Pouring from this Jigger is an absolute dream scenario. The edges are rolled flawlessly, creating a smooth lip that ensures your liquid cuts off cleanly the exact second you stop pouring. This prevents those annoying, sticky drips from running down the outside of the metal and transferring onto your hands or your bar surface. The interior markings are distinctly visible and cover all the crucial fractional volume measurements you will ever encounter in a cocktail book. The BARIANTTE is a fantastic, highly durable tool that I found myself reaching for repeatedly during my testing, and it guarantees a pristine, exact pour every single time. 3. UNISWEET 2Oz Premium Cocktail Jigger. The word premium in the title is absolutely justified, and you understand exactly why the second you get your hands on this robust, incredibly well-made piece of bar equipment. Constructed from the highest quality food-grade stainless steel, this Jigger feels virtually indestructible. It has a formidable, solid presence that screams heavy-duty durability. You could drop this onto a hard tile floor in a high-volume bar environment, and it would likely survive without a single dent or scratch. When I tested this Jigger by making a massive, complex round of multi-ingredient tiki drinks, the UNISWEET performed flawlessly under pressure. It features a slightly wider mouth than the standard Japanese style, which provides a much better, wider target when you are pouring quickly from heavy, cumbersome rum bottles. Inside the cups, the measurement demarcations are deeply and meticulously engraved into the steel. You will never have to worry about these crucial lines washing away, fading, or scratching off after repeated trips through the dishwasher, which is a massive convenience factor for the home entertainer who hates hand washing. The UNISWEET beautifully manages to strike a perfect harmony between rugged, reliable longevity and sleek, attractive aesthetics. It is an outstanding choice for anyone who takes their cocktail crafting seriously, demands exact measurements, and wants a hardcore tool that will easily last a lifetime. 2. Mixers Mark Crystal Bell Cocktail Measuring Jigger. This piece completely breaks away from the traditional, purely metal designs we have seen so far, offering something incredibly unique and visually captivating. Crafted from thick, crystal clear glass and finished with a stunning gold rim, this bell-style Jigger is quite literally a functional work of art. It adds an unparalleled level of vintage elegance, luxury, and refined beauty to any home bar setup, immediately drawing compliments from anyone who sees it. While testing it, I was completely mesmerized by how the crystal glass allows you to actually see the vibrant colors of your spirits, liqueurs, and fresh juices as you measure them out. It turns the mundane, simple act of pouring into a beautiful, highly visual experience for both you and your thirsty guests. The bell shape of this Jigger is inherently bottom-heavy, which makes it incredibly stable when resting on the countertop. Despite being made of glass, it has a surprisingly substantial, thick feel in the hand that gives you a great deal of confidence during use, completely dispelling any fears of it being overly fragile. It functions just as beautifully as it looks, featuring precise, easy-to-read measurement markings printed elegantly on the glass. If you want to deeply impress your friends, elevate the look of your bar cart, or simply enjoy a touch of opulence in your evening cocktail routine, the Mixer's Mark is a magnificent, top-tier choice. 1. OXO Steel Double Jigger. This is a complete masterpiece of functional design that quite literally reimagined what a cocktail jigger could and should be for the modern bartender. What immediately sets the OXO apart from every other jigger on the market is the brilliant inclusion of a soft, non-slip rubber grip wrapped securely around the center. This ergonomic feature provides unparalleled comfort and security, which is an absolute lifesaver when your hands are inevitably wet, sticky, or freezing cold from handling ice all night. During my extensive, rigorous testing, this jigger consistently proved to be the most efficient, user-friendly, and reliable tool of the entire bunch. The high-quality brushed stainless steel exterior wonderfully resists messy fingerprints and smudges, keeping the tool looking perfectly pristine and professional throughout an entire evening of heavy entertaining. However, the most brilliant and revolutionary aspect of the OXO is its stepped internal design, paired with highly visible, permanent laser-etched markings. You can easily view your exact measurements by looking straight down into the cup from above, completely eliminating the annoying need to bend over and check the liquid at awkward eye level. Pouring your measured spirits from the OXO is remarkably smooth, featuring a perfectly designed lip that utterly prevents any annoying drips or frustrating spills. It is the absolute perfect marriage of supreme comfort, relentless precision, and ingenious modern engineering, making it the undeniable king of cocktail jiggers and a mandatory addition to every single home bar.